In this video we will be replacing the batteries from Woody, the interactive talking action figure. The only tools that we would need is a small Phillips head screwdriver. We will also need 3 LR44 button cell batteries. I have left a link in the description section below for the batteries. The first step is to remove the electronics module from the figure. Do not untie the string since it is very hard to put it back through the hole in Woody's back. Leave the string and the pull ring as is. Once the electronics module is out, using the Phillips head screwdriver, loosen the screw and remove the back cover. There are 3 LR44 button cell batteries inside. You can find inscriptions inside showing the battery type and the orientation of the battery. Next, put in fresh batteries. Remember to put them in the correct orientation. Put the back cover on and tighten the screw. Next, put the electronics module back into the figure. Next, fix the apparel and check to see that your Woody is back on. Hope you found this video helpful and thanks for watching.